We decided that we wanted to build something that was going to have an immediate impact on our client's bottom line. What we found is a good search is important to conversions and converting the current traffic that you have into more sales. It's estimated that 1 in 3 users that come to your website are going to engage with the search bar on the website. Now, those people that do engage with search are doing so with the intent to buy. It's estimated that they have a 50% higher conversion rate. It's estimated between 30 and 60% of all your online sales come from those users that visit with site search. When we first started with Parts Logic, we always take a before and after comparison, and we actually had some great immediate success. We were looking at what is the 2-week impact of Parts Logic on the bottom line, and I'll talk about client A here. In those first 2 weeks, we did a before and after comparison, and those that did a visit with site search actually made an additional $4,300 in revenue. All these customers here have Parts Logic on it, so you can actually go to any one of these websites and you can experience the search, also their fitment search, and you'll see a variation of how things are executed. Now, Parts Logic I mentioned is form agnostic. We, built it first, putting it on Web Shop Manager clients, but we've also built a BigCommerce app. It's an approved marketplace app on BigCommerce, and then we've also built Miva, Shopify, Magento. Now, we've built Parts Logic with marketing in mind. This is one of our unique value propositions in the industry, is that we can provide fitment and keyword search all in one solution. We have the ability with a search results page with facet search. So we're able to take over the search results page of the website and provide a facet search to help users filter their results to find what they're looking for based on the application. We also got a fitment selector that we can place on any page. And we have a fitment verifier for the product detail page as well, which is a powerful tool that can be dropped down a PDP, a admin application. Now you can control synonyms and boosting rules. This search bar is a full text suggestive search bar, returning suggested results. It is very good at full and partial part number searches. So it's excellent at part numbers that have special characters like periods and hyphens and forward slashes and dashes. And it's really great at actually doing partial part numbers. Here we go with the search bar. It will return categories, brands, and products. And it does so in a visual way that includes imagery, titles, other information, SKU, pricing. And what you see here could be styled in many different ways. Talked about that misspelling and typo function in here, so I'm just going to kind of transpose those vowels there at the end of Tano, and you'll see that I'm still getting results based on the correct spelling of Tano. If someone wants to spell tonneau cover phonetically, T-O-N-N-O, you'll see that those tonneau covers with the correct spelling at the top, those categories are still returning along with the brands. Now, I talked about being able to type in fitment and get results. So if I type in a 2015 Ford F-150, I'm going to get results that apply to that particular application that's on the product. Now, you notice 2015, I'll just sort of change it to 2016, and it's still going to return those because it's reading the fitment applications that are applied to those products. Now you'll notice that I've got the F-150, and I can take that dash out and it still returns the results based on that. The next thing I want to show you is the search results page in a mobile device. If a user were to come in here, typically they're going to come in here because they've chosen a keyword first, and we'll just execute that here in the keyword search. Now I've got 3,635 results coming back. Well, let's do this. We'll go 2015. We'll go Chevy. We'll go Silverado. We'll go another bed length. And you'll see that now we're down to 130 results. But we need to filter that even further. Maybe I want a hard folding tonneau cover. You got to buy a Back Industries one. Now I'm down to 4 results. That seems pretty manageable. When I click the Done button, and I'm able to see those 4 products right here on the screen. Now, one thing that I want to show you is you can then select optional vehicle qualifiers to help narrow things down. If I choose, in this case, a 1964, and we'll go Ford, we'll go Mustang. You'll see that now I've got these optional qualifiers that come into play. I'll choose that transmission, I'd save, and I'm able to see those 7 products that apply to that Mustang and where transmission is important. The next piece I'd like to show is the fitment verifier that we put on a product detail page. We'll go 1998, Chevy Class 10, go 6'1". Hey, fitment is verified. That is the presentation and a product walkthrough of Parts Logic. I do hope you enjoyed learning more about what Parts Logic has to offer. Thank you very much.